It's fantastic that we've been joined by 25 projects today, and that's 25 projects to celebrate the 25 years that the National Lottery has been making grants to communities and people the length and breadth of Wales. It's had an enormous impact over those years, and everybody really lives within 1 or 2 miles of a National Lottery project. In those 25 years, we've awarded nearly £1 billion to well over 11,000 projects the length and breadth of Wales, which really supports communities to do stuff that's really important to them.
It's both a privilege and tremendously inspirational to see all the projects around here today. 25, that's a tiny little bit of the work we've been able to fund around Wales. We managed to spend around about £35–40 million a year in supporting communities around Wales. We no longer ask them, what is the need in your area? We ask them, what matters to you, what matters to people in your area, in your community? How can our money help mobilise the assets that you could mobilise? Your time, your inspiration, your commitment, your passion, and that's what we're doing. And it's a tremendous achievement, and it's been going on for 25 years. And in that time, the National Lottery has spent approximately £40 billion on developing community activity of this kind all around the United Kingdom. Tremendous story.
Yes, we were just called up on stage and given a cheque for £209,307 for our cafe and garden project at Carmarthen Youth Project. We're going to develop our cafe into a social enterprise.
With this young man?
Yeah,
with one of the participants?
With this young man and Kelly from the project. And we're going to develop a garden as well, so everything we grow comes into the cafe. The young people get to learn about growing food and cooking it and hopefully giving it to the community. It's brilliant news, and it couldn't have happened at a better venue.
No,
and
a better occasion.
Yeah, and a better place with the National Lottery 25th anniversary, so yeah, it's great.